Want to keep your floors clean without lifting a finger? Robot vacuums are more capable and affordable than ever. Robovacs use sensors and mapping technology to navigate around obstacles and create a systematic cleaning path, ensuring thorough coverage of the designated area. Users can set specific cleaning schedules through a smartphone app, allowing the robot vacuum to operate at convenient times. Some models also support voice commands for hands-free control. Many robot vacuum cleaners are designed to adapt to different floor types, adjusting their cleaning methods accordingly. Some models can even switch between vacuuming and mopping functions. When the battery runs low, robot vacuums can autonomously return to their charging docks. Once recharged, they can resume cleaning from where they left off, ensuring a complete cleaning cycle. These devices are typically small and sleek, allowing them to reach tight spaces and navigate under furniture where traditional vacuum cleaners might struggle. Built-in sensors help the robovacs detect obstacles and cliffs, preventing collisions and falls. This feature enhances the safety and durability of the device. Many models come with HEPA filters, making them effective in capturing allergens and improving indoor air quality. While the initial cost of a robot vacuum cleaner may be higher compared to traditional vacuum cleaners, the convenience and time-saving benefits make them increasingly popular among households looking for efficient and hands-free cleaning solutions.